CSS Custom Properties enable you to store values for reuse in your style sheets. If you're familiar with other programming languages, or with CSS preprocessors, it's likely you'll have come across variables. Custom properties are also known as CSS variables, and they have some similarities. As an example, we can define a colour value variable, which we'll call primary colour, on the root element. This makes it a global variable, which we can use anywhere in our style sheet in place of a property value. Alternatively, we could define the custom property on a selector, scoping it to the selector and its descendants. When we use the custom property, we can also set a default value. That way, if the custom property is not defined at the point we use it will fall back to the default. Custom properties can be updated with CSS or JavaScript, making them truly dynamic variables. We can even use them to calculate values of other custom properties, and that lends them to some very cool creative possibilities. One example is a staggered animation effect. First, we assign each element a custom property that corresponds to the element's index. Then we use that variable to calculate another custom property, which we'll call delay. Now we can use that custom property in place of the animation delay value in the animation shorthand property. That makes our code much more succinct and maintainable, and we don't have to adjust the values in a lot of places if we want to make a change. Try it for yourself with this CodePen demo, or check out this article for some other ideas of where custom properties might come in useful.